Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an additional avatar to your video created on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then start creating your video. After that, go to the right side of the screen, and here you can find this third button, this avatar and plus icon. Then you should select from the above categories such as my, new, couple, photo, and so on, and click on an avatar that you would like to add. Here you can see it, so if you tap on it you can drag it around and place it within the screen. You can make it bigger and smaller, as you can see, but if you would like to get rid of it, just tap on it and drag it to the bin icon and it will be removed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.